Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to use PancakeSwap with MetaMask on mobile. So for this purpose, first you have to launch MetaMask mobile application and then just log into your account. Once you have successfully logged in, then you can see Ethereum mainnet is selected as a network. So first you have to select BNB Smart Chain as a network. So just click on this drop arrow button. Then this page will pop up. Here you need to click on BNB Smart Chain and you can see BNB Smart Chain is selected as a network. For using PancakeSwap with MetaMask, you need to open Google at your mobile device, and in the search bar you simply need to search for pancakeswap.finance. Then you will be redirected on this page. Here at the top right you have this connect button, click on it, then this page will pop up. From here you need to choose MetaMask. Then in the swap section, you can see you can swap different coins like from BNB to Cake or from BNB to USDT. It's your choice. You can select different coins by your own. So this way you can use PancakeSwap with MetaMask on mobile. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.